Hello, Nigerian students. Hello, now students. Now, we want to be talking about a topic, those that are doing NCH 101. In your course material, check modulus 2. The main topic on the modulus 2 is real sequence and series. This is directly from your course material. Now, in your course material, we have what we are called what? Series. A series. And they said a series is a succession of terms spanned by a rules or formula. Then we are given an example, which is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is just a sequence of value that you are given that are in form of a series. Just like the way we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes according to the arrangement, the way it is. The second one there, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If you see those numbers also, you see that it works in an arrangement of a series value, just like an even number that we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then the third one also, we have what? A squared. A squared for a squared over 8, a raised to power 16. And so that's what we mean by a sequence. That is a value that goes in a series of what? Now, from there, they said a sequence may be a finite or infinite. Now, what they mean by that is this. They said a finite sequence is the one, those first and the last elements are known. That is, if you are talking about a finite sequence brings about a number that is a real number that has the first term and the last element. Now, which is means by a finite sequence. But if you are talking about infinite sequence is the one, those terms are uncountable. That is uncountable, it is infinity. The value goes as much as possible. Now, from there, we have, from your course material, they said we can now generate the sequence by substituting some value. Now, the general terms, what for a sequence is what? Un is equal to n plus 1 over 2n minus 1. That's the general terms for sequence. Now, we are now giving from your course material that we can generate the sequence by substituting for these three numbers that we have here, which is what? 1, 2, 3. Now, from there now, what they mean by that is this. When you have your general formula for sequence to be un is called n plus 1 over 2n minus 1. It means that anywhere, and we are given a value which is n is equal to 1, 2, and 3, that we should generate this value in n. Now, for you to generate this value in n, now, from there, anywhere you see n, you put 1. That is, for the first one, n is equal to 1. Then from there, from your formula that we have sequence to be un is equal to n plus 1 over 2n minus 1. Now, from there, we now be what? 1, anywhere you see n, you put 1. 1 plus 1 over 2 into bracket 1 minus 1. Then from there, we have what? 2 over 2 times 1, that's 2 minus 1. Then from there, we have 2 over 2 minus 1 will give you 1. 2 divided by 1 will give you what? 2. Now, that's what they get here. Now, which is what? 2. Then, the next one, we are given that n also is equal to 2. From your formula, we said un is equal to n plus 1 over 2n minus 1. From there, anywhere you see n, you put 2. That's 2 plus 1 over 2 into bracket. We have n, that's 2 minus 1. Then from there, we have 3. Over 2 times 2 will give you what? 4 minus 1. Then we have what? 3 over 3, which is equal to as 1. Then you do for the third one also, which we have what? N to be 3. Anywhere you see n, you put what? You put 3. That's 3 plus 1 into bracket, 2 into bracket. Your n is 3, which is 3 minus 1. Then from there we get what? 3 plus 1 over this 2 times 3 will give you what? 6 minus 1, which is going to be what? 4 over 5. Do you understand that now? From there, 4 over 5 will give you 0.8. That's why they get this 0.8. To those values you may be given, you can see now we have to infinity as long as the number is. Now, from there, that's why we get our sequence to be what? 2, 1, 4 over 5, and 5 over 8. From there, we move to what we call arithmetic sequence. We have arithmetic sequence. Now, if you are talking about arithmetic sequence, from your course material, they said